pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers, cheap Madison local and long-distance movers near me. We're the best choice to make when it comes to moving long distance. A long distance move is a relocation over 50 miles, whether it falls across or within the state. An intrastate move is within a state line. At the same time, an interstate move is outside the state line. We have insurance policies and packages in place to take care of liabilities during the relocation process. In addition, we have a good rapport with both the local and federal authorities in charge of relocation and its operations. Our movers are credible and equal to the task of moving you to a new place. They are reliable and will never mistreat your belongings. Our rates are very affordable, and you do not need to break the bank to afford our services. In addition to our long-distance services, we also provide local moving services. Our local movers are very competent and effective, and we are capable of handling the move. We are also very affordable, charging about $30 to $40 per hour. We will provide you with high-quality moving services even at such a low price. Our services are top-notch, and we have the benefits of competent and reliable members of our team. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Madison moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.